Mumbaikars. This is Vanshika, your host, and you are watching Address of Choice. Address of Choice is a perfect channel if you are in search of your dream home, as we provide you with detail-oriented overview of different properties in different cities. Till now, we have covered many properties. You can check our previous videos for the reference. Well, आज मैं आई हूँ मुंबई की देवभूमि पे, crown of Soho, at the center of India's most famous pandal, Lal Bagh ka Raja. As you can see, this property, which is by Promessa Realty, called Promessa Fairmont, is situated at Chinchpokli Road at Lower Parel. Promessa Realty has till now delivered many prominent projects and is known for its work. At the time of the launch, in a short duration, this property, Promessa Fairmont, generated 400 crore. Not only this, the major USP about this project is that it offers its residents Jain Derasar Temple for Shikhar Panth on 15th floor amenities. So let's discover more about the amenities and facilities which this project has to provide to us. So let's go. As this project is situated in the center of the city, that is South Bombay, it provides you perfect connectivity. As I already mentioned, it is just 2 to 3 minutes walk to Lal Bagh Pandal. 1.5 km far away is your Palladium Mall. Chinchpokli station is only 50 meters away. Lower Parel station is 1.5 kilometers away. Eastern Express Highway is 5 minutes away. JBC and International School is 6 minutes away. Foundation Hospital is 11 minutes away. Kamla Mills is 8 minutes away. And hotels such as ITC Garden, St. Regis are only 7 to 8 minutes away. Now, let's talk about the formation and structure of Promessa Fairmont. Promessa Fairmont is built on 1.7 acre of freehold land parcel. Also, if I speak about the elevation, it has in total 60 stories, of which first is ground level. Then you will have 14 levels of podium car parking. On 15th and 16th level, you will have all of your floor amenities. From 17th floor onwards till 59th floor, you will have all your habitable floors. Whereas on 68th floor, that is rooftop, you will have your rooftop amenities. Let me tell you this also, that all the apartments in this property are Vastu compliant, and it provides you with majestic and breathtaking views of Mahalakshmi, Racecourse, Sea Link, Jain Mandir and Upashray, banquet and master kitchen, multi-purpose court, kids play area, music room, 30 feet bubbling brook waterfall on the entrance, edge pool, jacuzzi, pool table, spa, steam room, juice bar, mini theatre, skywalk, sky lounge, cafe, India's first O2 tunnel and many other various amenities. Now, let's take a look at 2 BHK sample apartment of Promessa Fairmont, which is of the size 801 category. As soon as you come ahead, this is your foyer area. This is your dining area, which is of the size 12 by 7. Moving ahead is your living area of the size 10 by 30. You will also have your deck or balcony. It is of the size 8 by 5. You will have majestic and breathtaking view of either Rani Bagh, Mahalakshmi Racecourse, Worli Sea and Atal Setu, depending on the Vastu or facing of your flat. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen. Kitchen is of the size 7 by 9. You will be provided with 2 platforms, one for your cooking area and another one will be for your dry area. Not only this, you will also have additional deck area of 30 square feet, which you can either use as dry utility area, but it is given to you as deck area. Also, it is not included in your 801 carpet area. Now let's go and take a look at the common washroom, which is of the size 4 by 7. You will also have washrooms attached to your master bedroom. This is your common washroom. So in total, you will have 3 washrooms in 2 BHK apartment. Now let's take a look at the first master bedroom, which is of the size 10 by 30. It is a spacious master bedroom along with your washroom of the size 4 by 7. You will also have your French windows, which will again give you different views depending on the facing of your apartment. Now let's go and take a look at the second master bedroom. This is your second master bedroom of the size 10 by 14. It is very spacious as you can see, and it also comes along with French window. It is also attached with your washroom of the size 5 by 7. Now let's take a look at the second sample apartment of 3 BHK, which is of the size 1026 carpet area. So let's go. As soon as you enter, this will be your foyer area, and this is your dining area, which will be of the size 15 by 10. This is your living area, and it is of the size 10 by 9. It also comes along with a beautiful deck to spend your evening time or morning time at, and it is of the size 8 by 7. Let me tell you this again, that you will again have amazing view depending on the facing of your apartment. Also, the major USP of the apartments by Promessa Realty is that they provide you the height of 11 feet. In general, all the apartment's height is around 9 feet, but this is offering you with 11 feet. I think it is definitely a catch. Well, let's go and take a look at the kitchen. Now, here is the kitchen, which is of the size 7 by 9. Here also you will be provided with 2 platforms, one for your cooking area and the another one for your dry area. Here also you will have an additional 40 square feet of deck, which can be used as dry utility area also. Reminder, this is not included in your 1026 square feet. This is additional 40 square feet. Now let's go and take a look at the first master bedroom of this house. This is your first master bedroom, which is of the size 10 by 14. It will be provided with French window, which will give you amazing view of cityscape or Rani Bagh and Mahalakshmi Coast. You will also have your attached washroom, which is of the size 4 by 8. This is your second room, and it can be used as a kids room or study room, and it is of the size 9 by 12. It will be accompanied with French windows for your view, and also you will have your washroom opposite to the room, and it is of the size 4 by 7. This is a common washroom of the house. Now let's take a look at the third room and the last room of the 3 BHK, and it is of the size 9 by 13. You will be accompanied by French windows for your cityscape, Rani Bagh or Mahalakshmi Coast view depending on the facing of your flat. And not only this, you will also have the space for your walk-in wardrobe, which is of the size 6 by 7, and just on the right hand side will be your washroom of the size 5 by 7. Now let's talk about the size and price which Promessa Realty has to offer to us. So it offers you 2, 3 and 4 BHK. 4 BHK comprises of 2 BHK, that is a Jodi apartment. 2 BHK is of size 801 carpet area with the starting price of 2.96 CR plus. Whereas 3 BHK offers you the size of 1026 square feet, which starts from 3.96 CR. Also, the possession of this property starts from 2027. Well, that was it from our side about this beautiful property, Promessa Fairmont. Promessa Fairmont is going to be a full package deal, as not only it provides you with various amenities, but also it is situated at the center of the most famous pandal of Lal Bagh. So yes, what are you waiting for? Book your deals now. I hope I was able to explain this property to you well. If you still have any doubt, you can still comment down below in the comment section and let us know, or you can call on the number which is given in the description box. So yes, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for your time.